The KENWOOD DRV-A310W GPS dash cam provides exceptional video quality with its high-definition recording capabilities and a 2-inch LCD screen. Equipped with a Galaxy Core sensor, the dash cam captures clear images in various lighting conditions, ensuring your recordings are never underexposed or overexposed. The device offers seamless wireless connectivity through the KENWOOD Dash Cam Manager app, allowing you to access live footage and update settings via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. With its built-in G-sensor, the dash cam detects collisions or hard braking, automatically saving critical video files and geotagging them with precise location data. The Smart Parking mode activates recording when your car's engine is turned on and off, and an optional hardwire kit can enhance security by detecting disturbances while parked. Featuring loop recording, the dashcam efficiently manages storage by overwriting old footage, and it supports micro SD cards ranging from 8 GB to 256 GB.